Say hello to Echo Studio, a smart speaker controlled by your voice and Alexa. It features 5 speakers to deliver powerful bass and crisp high frequencies, and comes with Dolby Atmos processing, making it the best sounding Echo device. Alexa, play rock music.
Here's a station for rock music.
Echo Studio automatically senses the acoustics of any room and customizes sound quality to suit your space. Just ask Alexa to play all your favorite music from all your favorite places and listen to music like never before. The Echo Studio has a built-in smart hub that can set up your compatible smart home devices in seconds. Just say, "Alexa, discover my devices."
Discovering devices.
And Echo Studio does the rest. You can also call your Alexa and Skype contacts by just using your voice. Alexa, call Dad.
Calling Dad.
You can now talk to Alexa in Hindi as well. Just say, "Alexa, tum kaisi ho?"
आपने पूछ लिया, बस दिल garden हो गया.
Best of all, Echo Studio and Alexa are always getting smarter and adding new features and skills. Echo Studio from Amazon.